You wake up, go to work, pay the bills, maybe treat yourself a little, and still, somehow, there's nothing left at the end of the month. It's frustrating. You're not lazy. You're not careless. But what's really holding you back are your habits. Invisible money habits that slowly keep you broke. These habits don't show up all at once. They creep in. They disguise themselves as normal behavior. But over time, they shape your future more than your paycheck ever will. Today, let's talk about 5 of the most common and dangerous money habits that silently drain your wealth. These aren't the dramatic headline-grabbing mistakes. They're the everyday choices that fly under the radar. Habit number 1, lifestyle creep. It happens when your income increases, and so does your spending. You get a raise, or a bonus, or a freelance gig, and suddenly, you start eating out more, shopping more, upgrading more. But here's the thing, none of those upgrades actually improve your long-term financial health. They just make your expenses rise in sync with your income, leaving you stuck at the same level of savings, or worse. Instead of rewarding every income boost with lifestyle inflation, try this. Act like your income didn't increase. Save the raise. Invest the bonus. Let your money grow while your lifestyle stays grounded. Habit number 2, ignoring the invisible expenses. These are the tiny, recurring costs that often go unnoticed. $5 apps, $12 subscriptions, $3 delivery fees. They seem harmless, but over time, they quietly drain your money without you realizing it. Most people don't track these because they feel normal. But that's exactly why they're dangerous, because you stop questioning them. The fix? Do a monthly audit. Check your statements. Cancel what you don't use. These small wins add up, and every dollar you reclaim is one step closer to financial clarity. Habit number 3, paying yourself last. Most people pay rent, bills, groceries, and then, whatever's left goes to savings, if anything is left. But that's like building a house and saving the foundation for last. Instead, flip it. Pay yourself first. As soon as you get paid, set aside a portion, 10%, 20%, whatever you can, and move it to a savings or investment account. Treat it like it's non-negotiable. Like rent to your future. Even if you start with just $50 a month, the habit is more important than the amount. Over time, that discipline builds wealth more reliably than any get-rich-quick trick ever could. Habit 4, emotional spending. We've all been there. You're stressed, so you buy something online. You're bored, so you order food. You're celebrating, so you splurge, telling yourself, I deserve this. And maybe you do. But does your future self deserve the bill? Money is emotional. It's tied to comfort, identity, even self-worth. But if you let your emotions drive your spending, your bank account becomes a mood ring, and that's dangerous. Next time, pause and ask, is this purchase fixing the problem, or just distracting me from it? Find alternatives that soothe you without costing you. Go for a walk. Journal. Call a friend. Your wallet will thank you later. Habit 5, thinking too short-term. It's easy to say, I'll start saving later, or I'll worry about retirement when I'm older. But the truth is, time is your most valuable financial asset, and once it's gone, it doesn't come back. The earlier you start thinking long-term, the less effort it takes. Compound interest. Habits. Skill building, all of it works best when it has time on its side. So don't wait for a wake-up call. Start now. Your future isn't as far away as you think. Here's the bottom line, being broke doesn't always mean you're not trying. Sometimes it just means your habits are working against you. But you have the power to change them. One small shift at a time. These 5 habits aren't meant to shame you. They're here to show you that financial freedom isn't about luck, it's about awareness. And awareness is where transformation begins. Money doesn't have to be confusing, and you're not alone in figuring it out. If you're ready to build smarter habits and take control of your finances, hit that subscribe button. Velocash is here to help you move faster toward financial freedom.